Hi all, my name is Ruchira and do you love science? Do you love learning science? Yes, science is a very interesting and fascinating subject to learn. So wait. Let me ask you something. As a child, you might be having so many doubts in your mind, right, while walking around? Yes, like Yes, as a child, you might be having so many doubts regarding things that happen around you. Yes, so we are here to give you answers. In GEMA, we don't just teach science as an academic subject, but we have a very fascinating phenomena of learning by interacting with our students. So, are you ready to start the journey? Let's start the journey together and see you all there in GEMA Junior Science. Bye.